Hey, I'm Chelsea with EduBirdie, and I'm here with tips on how to help you succeed after college. Look, we get it. Adulting is hard, but that's why our team at EduBirdie is here to help you. We want you to succeed, which is why I'm going to tell you about the different ways you can do so after college and in your final year of college to set yourself up for success. Let's take a look. This seems like a no-brainer. You want a job after college, but who says you have to wait? No, I don't mean you need to have a job during college, but you could consider looking while still going to classes. Think about it. It can sometimes take months to go through the recruiting process for the job. So if you're already looking, you may be able to cut back on that time where you don't have one after graduation. Consider checking out local job fairs or getting on social sites like LinkedIn or Indeed. Speaking of social sites, consider sprucing up your social media. Make yourself look professional. You're not going to be a kid anymore, and many jobs will be looking to hire someone professional. Consider taking a professional headshot for your LinkedIn and make sure your social media accounts don't have any inappropriate posts or pictures. Maybe even look at your social media account from a friend or family member's profile to see if it looks professional enough. This is probably no surprise, but finances are a big part of being in the working world. If you have debt from your schooling, don't feel bad. In fact, several people do. Look into scheduling an appointment with a loan repayment counselor to find a way that works best for you when it comes to paying back expenses. Also, make a budget. You may want to include categories for utilities, rent, savings, loans, and even fun. It's okay to have fun with your money as long as you know how much you're spending. You may even want to write down a few financial or career goals so you have something to work towards. And if you want to take those goals one step further, talk to a professional. Consider meeting with a counselor to discuss personal and career matters. Many colleges will offer their own free counseling services, so this is a great way to seek guidance without spending your hard-earned money. Once you move into the working world, however, it may take that extra step to find a counselor, but it could be worth it. Think about using a career counselor to help you figure out the next steps you need to take to move up. Remember, it's never a bad idea to ask for help if you aren't sure about something. Whether you're a student or a professional, we all need a bit of help sometimes. Don't forget to use our 10% off code Chelsea10 for a discount on any college issue related videos. And as always, you can always come to us at EduBirdie for questions and help in your academic career. I hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.